fucking.
I'm not punching him in the damn throat. Give me this. Alright, you're
You're not gonna punch his throat. That's gonna be swallowing your shit, dude.
That's yours.
No way.
Give me another cigarette. Then you said I can have another one.
That's fucked up, Dwight.
You said I can have another one, right? Ruben?
Nothing. That's
Stop. That's me?
Yeah, it's yours.
Wow. Alright,
Sorry.
never mind. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Ooh.
Time.
What do you want to do?
Your time is to fucking leave.
Hey, it's tomorrow. What the fuck?
You. I'm gonna take your motherfucking bow.
Fucking
out
lie,
your
man.
mouth.
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm gonna take your cross
Get out of
and
here,
I'm gonna
dude.
put on your spouse.
Don't even touch my fucking clothes either.
Let me touch your earrings.
Ooh.
Damn.
You don't even need to go on a date.
You got darts on your back like a fucking target.
Okay.
You a dart man?
Ruben, give me a beer.
You want me to leave the room, man? I'll leave the room. This guy's so fucking drunk, can't even put his fucking password in the computer.
Ruben, really?
He's so drunk.
Wrong again, you see?
Wrong.
20 times already.
Try. You got it?
No.
What's that say?
Finished, that's what it says.
Wow. How's... What did you twist out of that, Ruben?
Yeah, like I thought you were supposed to roll some good shit. Owner, look at
That's
the
like some
fucking-
cocaine, dude.
Listen, rip it.
I
Go.
thought, fuck.
Go.
What
We need
is
your
it?
computer, dude.
I don't have to show.
We need
You
your
don't have to
computer.
show. You don't have to do.
I don't have
Give me your
fuck this
fucking
spot.
name.
Shut up.
Dude,
What
what
is
is
fucking
this?
verse?
Come on, brother.
Look, hold on.
This
Wait,
little
dude,
titty
you got,
ass nigga.
you got something on your chest,
dog.
man.
Stop.
Yo,
What's that earring, nigga?
Yo, stop fucking with him.
Dude, don't touch
What?
Stop.
I have something. I have something. I have something. Sure. Look at it.
Dude.
What do you
Dude.
have, brother?
No, you
Funny man?
Making
What?
fun of
What?
you?
Nah, yeah.
Dwight,
Making
relax.
fun of
Okay.
you? I mean, fun of you?
Forget it.
Dude,
Forget
don't
it,
push
brother.
me.
No,
I
but-
made fun of you.
Ruben.
Voice.
Dwight, get the key.